wabarakatuh. Hello my lovely student. Welcome back with me, Miss Elvira Setya. How are you today? Good? Alhamdulillah. Today we learn about congratulations and compliments by using the Google Classroom application. So before that, I want to share you the tutorial to use the Google Classroom application. First of all, you must download the Google Classroom application on the Play Store. Okay, then you wait for the download to finish. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hooray! The Google Classroom application has been downloaded successfully. After that, you can open the application and then log in with your email account. Don't forget your password and then click next. Okay, this is a display on the Google Classroom application. You can see like this. Alright, there are many information in here like calendar and then notification and setting and any others. Then you will see the icon plus of theirs. Next, you can click the icon plus. There are two choices of theirs, and then you click join the class. Alright? Good. But when you be a teacher, you can click create the class. And I hope you will be a good teacher in the future. Amin. Now, before that, I have to send you the code in the group class on WhatsApp application. And you can use the code to enter the class. And then you back to the WhatsApp group and copy paste the code and enter it in Google Classroom application. And then you will enter the class. Learn English fun! Then you have to open the material, congratulations and compliment in your Google Classroom application. Alright? I give you 30 minutes to read the material. Okay? So guys, if you're still confused about this material, you can ask me questions. So, do you have any question, guys? No one? Really? You understand? If you have any question, we will discuss it on the WhatsApp group. Oh yeah, don't forget your assignment to make greeting card and then you send it in Google Classroom application. Now you can see this is an example of greeting card, and you can make greeting card on paper or on application. And then if you want to send your assignment, you must to click add attachment. Then you are looking for the greeting card assignment on the file in your handphone. If you find it, just add your assignment on the Google Classroom application. And then wait until your file has been uploaded on the Google Classroom application. If you finish, you can click submit. After that, you can enter your name and your number in a personal comment. For example, your name is Ferdi, and you can write in the comment Ferdi, and your number is 7, maybe you can write in the comment, and then you click turn in. You will get a confirmation statement in your Google Classroom application. application and then you click Turn It again. Alright, finally your assignment has been uploaded successfully. But if you send the wrong assignment, no problem. You can cancel it by click on submit. Okay? And next, you must to send your correct assignment on the Google Classroom application. I think enough for today, guys. Hopefully you can learn more about this lesson and you can do more practice at your home. Well, thank you for your next attention, guys. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.